I'm kidding. I'm kidding.
David's got the script. David, what does the script say?
It's raining in turn 1.
Yep. And we need a caution.
Where are these stages? 30, 30, 40?
No, I think it's staggered now, right?
Probably 25, 25, 50.
No,
That's
I
right,
think they
usually
stagger
is.
it. I thought they do like 20, 30, and then 50. I can check Pocris. Caution. Oh.
Oh my god.
Shut up.
No, I just saw the same thing. There's no fucking way.
I just read it, like, naturally.
Oh, no.
Fuck. Sorry, guys. Stand up. I fucked it up.
We'll just pretend that
Oh,
didn't
for
happen.
one to start the year.
Jake read the
So-
script.
It's 2020-60 though.
Oh, no. The caution's out.
2060?
Yeah, it's raining, by the way.
Oh my god.
Well, we'll catch
That
you
was
tomorrow.
so stupid of me.
So I'm
check
at,
Pocris.
I'm
And then
gonna
the
go
first thing
check
I say
Pocris.
is just, yeah, caution. And I just
I'm
read it.
going
I don't
to
even
go.
know why I read it.
oh, we got them 3 deep now, boys.
We got Pastrana in the backyard
He's good,
special.
bro. I
Which,
bet you he's having the-
Oh,
Oh.
Daniel, the
Daniel
not
died.
oh, they big
That's a
right
big
back.
hit.
that?
That was
Oh
a
my
big hit.
lord.
Oh, fire! That's
Oh,
Dean!
Dean
Oh,
Thompson.
not
Get out of
Miller,
it, Dean!
Miller racing driver Dean
Oh, that's
Thompson.
Deegan. Oh, Deegan was wrecked.
Are you
No.
fucking me? I have all of them on
Dean.
my fucking lineup.
I got
She
Dean
hit.
on mine too.
She hit hard.
That looks
They're
like the
trying
damage of somebody that caused the incident.
They were trying
There
to.
you go, you racist piece of shit. Blaming the white guy. Go figure.
I just want to see a replay.
Yeah, why haven't we seen a replay yet?
That makes sure everybody's okay. First time watching NASCAR, guys? Goddamn.
Yes.
I don't think
We don't know if
Haley's
he's
okay.
They didn't want to show it out of respect. They didn't want to show it out of
Haley,
respect for the
just
drivers.
give it up.
Dean's
listen.
pretty upset.
Where's Dean? Dean's in
Well,
the middle. Look, look, look.
Clay
Dean's
Greenfield's
in
in the middle.
the middle. At the bottom of the screen. Here we go. Who does it?
It's gonna start there, though, yeah, because he was in the right. He got... Okay.
The guy came up on him.
He did
Watch
get
out,
pitched a little
Haley.
bit.
Oh, why did you go high?
Motherfucker.
Daniel die.
He's fine.
I didn't even see what happened to Dean. Oh, Dean!
Y'all
Oh,
see
the
Dean
guy-
back
Yeah,
there?
She got
Dean?
plowed into.
Oh my god!
That was Chase Elliott.
Dawson, who is this guy?
Can't wait to
banned
race
from
against
there
that guy.
I'm Matty D.
Alright, that guy's gonna have to start the year on probation.
Or they're
Oh
gonna
my
have a
God.
big wreck by the end.
Oh, my God!
Col- Colby's him,
He
alright.
almost had it there.
I don't think that was him. I don't think he even touched him.
It's,
Yeah, he
He was
did. He was
pushing
on
him
him.
the whole
He was
turn.
pushing the fuck out of him.
Oh,
He
Stewie!
never
oh,
lifted.
here comes
Going
autism.
with Stewie. Oh,
Oh my
Oh,
god!
Jesus!
Gosh.
Not now.
Oh, there. This ain't going to end well.
That's Parker in the backyard special, man.
It's about to look like a backyard special here in a minute.
Oh
So
yeah,
the truck
they keep doing that
bumpers
dumb
don't
shit.
line
Oh,
up.
Oh,
It is called.
Jesus Christ!
Why would you push right there?
Ben's
They're
hood.
going-
Look at Ben's
they're
hood.
going-
Is that or is that just the
Nah,
graphic?
that's
That's
just
the
the
graphic.
graphic.
Okay.
It
that's
did look
the
like it was
graphic.
fucked up. Yeah.
Yeah, it did. Oh, Ben,
Wow.
what are you doing,
Wow.
Ben?
There we go!
Oh, my
What I
pick.
tell you?
Damn it!
Moron, man.
Thanks to whoever
Oh, and they're
spoiled
still
it.
wrecking. That's Chase
Don't
Elliott.
make
I
No,
just,
it's not.
That's
that's just a
Someone
good
said.
catch.
Someone said.
What the
"Caution
fuck?
on
My
Twitter."
pick's done.
So dumb,
I was
dude.
I was joking, Jordan.
Bullshit.